Have you ever wanted to play your PlayStation on your PC? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download PS4 Remote Play so that you can broadcast your PlayStation 4 onto your PC. So to begin, we're going to open our Google Chrome browser and we're going to write PS4 Remote Play. Next up, as you can see, PS Remote Play. It should be this one right here. Next up, as you can see, control your PS5, PS4, all that. So next thing we're going to do is you're going to choose control your PS console from a Windows PC. And next up, we're going to do install the app right here. So I agree to the ISA, whatever. Check that and press on download. Next up, the remote play installer is right here. So we're going to press on it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes. Next up, once that is complete, it should load up the installer. Select your language and press OK. From there, it should install the PS Remote Play app. It's a very fast install, so you don't have to worry about waiting hours. So it's extracting it as of right now, and it should be done. So welcome to the install shield. Next, install. And this should take around a few minutes. So I'll be with you guys once it's done. So as you can see, it's completed right now. Next up, you're going to check this and press on finish. And now our PS Remote Play should be completed. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.